Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to remove the glass from Samsung phone A70. It's badly damaged, the glass, but the display, the main display, the LCD is still working fine. So we decided to remove only the glass and keep the original screen for the customer. So and this is the process how to remove only the glass of the Samsung phone A70 screen. So we need to work carefully so we don't need to damage the main display underneath the glass. As you can see, like from the bottom side the glass is badly broken, so we decided to work from the other side until we reach that badly smashed screens. So in that area we can work slowly and carefully. We'll make sure we don't damage the main LCD. Our store is Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill. If anyone have any Samsung phone or iPhone, but with one condition, like the LCD, the main display is still working, no damage on the LCD, they can bring their phone here in Richmond Hill, Ontario, and drop it to change only the glass, so they can take advantage of this and keep the original LCD or the display as is. Please support us with clicking like and send it to anyone who is interested in changing only the glass instead of change the entire screen. For iPhone, they will get a message screen has been replaced if they change the entire screen. And for Samsung, the quality of the other screen, it might not be like as same as the original one. So if you have only glass broken and touch is working and no lines or colorful or any like black or colorful spot, you can bring your phone here. You can book an appointment from our website maplelaptopservices.com. You can fill the form and contact us, or you can give us a call 416-587-7105. Book an appointment and you are most welcome to come here. See, like we need to insert the wire between the glass and the LCD and start move it slowly and smoothly, like in order to keep the LCD working, the main display. If you haven't liked the video yet, please like the video and share it with some friends. We need underneath there is like a heating plate, so every some moment we need to flip it out and heat it up a little bit to make it easy for the wire to move inside or underneath the glass. Sometimes we need to flip it out and heat it up a little bit, then we start moving the wire to remove the glass. So now we are reaching like the spot where there's too much smashed glass in there. When your like glass is totally damaged, it's harder. Too many pieces, broken pieces, so we need to take care of these pieces. But if there is any crack, like one crack, two cracks on the screen, it's much easier. So now we put it back to heat it up a little bit on that heating plate. If you have Samsung phone or iPhone, email us with the model number just to make sure we have the glass for that kind of model. And you are most welcome to drop it off in Richmond Hill, Ontario. You can check our website for the email address, for the location, to book an appointment at maplelaptopservices.com. See how many pieces. And that white glue is the OCA. This is the glue underneath the glass, between the glass and the LCD. After we remove the glass, we'll clean the OCA, but in this video, the purpose of this video is just to show you how to remove the glass. There is another video showed you like how we remove the OCA and how we put the other glass in this channel. You can subscribe in our channel to get all the new videos whenever we release a new video, so you can watch them. We do a lot of service here in the store. We fix cell phones, computer, laptop, MacBook, iPads, Samsung tablet, Microsoft Surface Pro screen. We do water damage repair and motherboard repair for Samsung and iPhone. So don't forget to subscribe in the video, in the channel, and like the video please. So now that only black spot is remaining. It is not an easy job. We need to make sure like the wire goes underneath the broken glass. As you can see, like we need to insert it from that top right area. Underneath the screen, the heating still working. only small portions left. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel and like the video, and contact us if you have any Samsung or iPhone for broken glass. After we remove all these glasses, the pieces, we'll clean the OCA glue on the screen, and we will put another new glass, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and contact us if you need any help. Now we will remove the OCA, but next time we'll show you how to remove it, but there are some other videos that show you already. Thank you so much.